Hi guys, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel, we really appreciate it. Today we're featuring the Auditing America channel. Please use the links in the description to watch the full original video, and get subscribed to his channel.
I'm not supposed to be recording in here.
I'm sorry?
You guys recording?
Yes.
You're not supposed to.
They changed the rules.
Yeah.
Can I get the new copy of the new rules?
No, that's just what we're told by management. Not to
We're supposed to follow rules that we can't see or read them.
I
That's
don't know. You want to
universal
talk
reality
to a
experience.
Sure.
supervisor?
Sure. Thanks. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm just trying to get the new rules that you guys mentioned.
What?
She said the rules changed. Can I get a copy of the rules?
I don't have a copy of the rules. You can record anybody you want, but you better not post anybody of my employees.
I am. I'm actually. Why not? Why not?
Because the employees aren't here for your camera work.
No, I know that. They're here to work
And that's
with
what
mail.
they're doing, but you're also holding up these people.
I'm not. Look, they're right there.
Take care of these people.
Sir, specifically.
You're just causing nothing for no reason.
How you doing, ma'am?
What's going on?
Can I have your name and badge number, please?
Sure, it's Filger, F-I-L-G-E-R, and then we don't have badge numbers.
I think they're misinformed about the rules. Recording in the post office.
Okay.
They just left and went to the back just because we were filming. There's a long line there. We'd like to conduct
We
business.
just got a call about some people here, and you're
No,
not
hell,
supposed
we
to
ain't
be-
got nothing to do
No,
with
you're
it.
good.
No, it's not you guys. It's not you guys.
Okay, you too.
No, we're just working on a video. Let's not block this. We're just working on a video about the post office. We go around the country, checking up on our public employees.
Okay.
We verified the rules before we got here. We pretty much know them by heart. They don't know their own rules, and that's why we're here to bring education on the First Amendment.
Okay. We just got a call about some people hanging out here recording, and then
Specifically, was
post
it?
office said they don't want you guys here, so they don't want you guys here, so you got to get off property.
That's
Actually, that's not how that works. When we're conducting a constitutionally protected act
And
I'm
business.
doing business,
Okay.
and you took an oath to protect our First Amendment, you cannot be trespassed unless you're committing a crime. And since we're engaged in not only a constitutionally protected act, but I'm also making a purchase of the stamp, you cannot trespass us.
unless we're breaking the law. Yeah, but this is not a private-
Trespassing, so you
They
are.
can, ma'am, indeed, they can do that anywhere else except public property. We've challenged this at court many times. It's been challenged at court many times. We have the right to be here. It's on the wall. We're not breaking the law. We're not being disorderly. So we're just
I
working
got
on.
a call about you guys saying they don't want you here anymore.
Correct,
so-
but they don't have that privilege. That's the
Yes,
thing.
they do.
No, they don't. They don't own. This is not private property, ma'am.
So,
This is public property,
So-
and
Pardon me, excuse me.
Yes, sir.
are you telling me that because someone doesn't feel okay, that they have the right to kick us out when we're engaged in a constitutionally protected act, which you swore an oath to protect?
Yeah, if they don't want you here, they don't want you here.
That's
okay,
not
so
how it works.
so that's called discrimination.
It's called trespassing.
No.
We have to have a.
you
I have to have a crime.
Let me ask you-
Trespassing is a crime.
No, not if we're in public property. If we're in public property, you have to have a crime in order to trespass us. It's the same thing as telling me that I can't be on the sidewalk.
Yeah, you can go over there on the sidewalk.
And I could
you
go-
can go over
So
here
this
on the
is not public
sidewalk.
property?
We could go in
You're
there
on
too.
their property right now.
This is public property, right?
It
You're
is.
on the post office property right
And who
now.
owns the post office? It's public property. It says so right on poster 7 right in there. Do you know what poster 7 is?
Okay, all I'm saying is they don't want you here.
Well,
It
they
doesn't
don't
make a
have. They
difference.
don't have
You
that
swore an oath
privilege.
to the Constitution, not to what the post office
law
said.
enforcer.
You don't go by what people feel. What's the Third Amendment? What is the Third
They
Amendment?
don't want you here.
What is the Third
So all
Amendment?
you have to do
What
is
is the
just
third-
leave
We have the
property.
right to be in there.
You can record all
And you know what, Keith, and I just seen you eating that salad. I know you're full. You're ready to work.
And
So
Keith,
and
I'm going to give you another chance. What is the Third Amendment?
Sir, respectfully, it's okay if you don't know it. You were man enough to say, you know what, I don't know. It's
respect you
fine.
for that.
But I just want to let you know, sir, that we do know our rights, and we have the absolute right to be in there, conduct business while video recording. They don't have this authority to tell us to leave public property, ma'am. So I encourage you to do the right thing or call your supervisor.
Okay, let me
please.
ask
He's coming right now.
How's it going, sir? I'm okay. Can I have your name and badge number, please?
It's Sergeant Martin Ross, 55.
We don't have badge numbers. We don't have badge number. We don't have badge number.
Okay, Sergeant, look, we're working on a video in public property. We have the right to video record our transaction in there, whether they like it or not, unless, of course, we're breaking the law. If I'm being disorderly, if I'm making threats, or if I'm impeding the business, then you guys can have me trespass because I'm stopping the business. But we're not stopping the business. We just want to go in there, conduct our business with the post office, that we have the right, because this is a federal facility. The rules are on the wall. They don't know the law. This gentleman just admitted not to know what the Third Amendment is. She doesn't know it either. That's why we requested a supervisor, because we know our rights. We do know. So if anyone keeps us from going in there right now, it's going to be you guys breaking the law. You will be engaged in disorderly conduct, and so will you. And if you put your hands on me, that would be an illegal arrest.
We just want to be able to film.
We just
want to purchase a stamp, and then we want to be on our way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me go talk to him real quick, and we'll get you going.
They don't want us in there.
I don't know.
It's not.
That's what I'm saying.
You see, you don't know either.
Well,
What's the Third Amendment? What's the Third Amendment?
let me go talk to him.
Yeah, nobody knows the Third Amendment. Nobody knows the Constitution. Does anybody know the Seventh Amendment?
How can you be in the power? How can you be in power of having somebody's freedom taken if you don't know the Constitution?
Why are you asking questions? Why? You should be pulling up the Constitution on your phone.
Very
You don't.
strange that you're.
No, it's very strange that you took an oath to protect the rights and you don't even know them. What's the Seventh Amendment?
I don't know off the top of my head.
You
I'd
don't
have to
know.
Look it up.
You don't know. Why did you take an oath to something you didn't even read? Who wrote the Constitution?
She's just trying to get through.
Who wrote the Constitution?
Ma'am,
Look up the Third Amendment real quick, and I'll tell you who it is. I promise. Are you allowed? Why not?
Because
Because what? What?
why would I want to do that?
I mean, how long does it take to become a police
She's the
officer?
star of the day.
Because that's your job. Shouldn't you be concerned about the fact that you took an oath to something you know nothing about it? You don't even know who wrote it. You don't know anything.
And,
You
it's
don't know the Third
and
Amendment,
you know what,
Seventh Amendment?
brother? You know what, brother? I understand your frustration, because these people right here swore to protect our rights when they became police officers, but not everybody knows about it. You know what I'm saying? That's why we're here. That's why we're here, to educate millions. We've done it already. Over 200 million people have seen our videos, ma'am, because of police officers like yourself that don't know the Constitution, and you, sir, as well. You know, we expect you guys to be pros at this. So when people like you don't know what you're doing, we have the supervisor. It's always a supervisor everywhere you go. And most importantly, they already know what the deal is. The officers outside was my main concern, because these guys are walking around with guns and full backup of police force, and we expect them to be pros. We expect them to be pros at something so simple as public photography laws. So
Very, very important. We're in the trouble we're in now because people have not been following the Constitution. Like I said, men, women, and children have given blood, sweat, and tears for that. So it's your duty to dishonor legal orders.
Ross, you are the man, all right? How long you been a cop, bro?
How long?
How long?
34 years.
That's good, bro. That's good, because I think you could have retired at 20 years, right? And you didn't do it because you love this job, and I'm sure you love our country, bro. Thank you. I'm not mad at you. You seem like a good person. You were man enough to tell us you didn't know. It's okay. You could go home and check it out. You, ma'am, have a good day.
You too.
Don't ever arrest anyone in public
Thanks for
property.
watching, guys. Don't forget to click the links in the description to check out the full original video, and also visit the Auditing America channel and get subscribed.